sword landed, and then it fell straight in my hand.
Double kill.
Double kill.
So I couldn't tell that's what it was.
If you guys double kill again, I'm just keeping this for another 6. Legally can't. Yeah.
Well.
Let all who fought in these coronet lists today assemble before their highnesses.
Who claims victory on the field this day?
I do, Sir Bardolf Gunvaldson.
Count Bardolf Gunderson, by their prowess, has been given victory this day.
Then let him come before us with his consort. They're right there!
Count Bardolf Sabiha are before us.
Count Bardolf, with this wreath, we acknowledge your right to claim the coronets of Oerthan and name your lady and name you Lord Borealis.
You put it on his head.
I thought you were handing this to your lady is what I thought. Okay, we can stretch that. Your head's big.
Yep. With this wreath, acknowledge your lord, or your lady, and name them Lady Borealis. You got worse.
Whatever word you choose.
Yeah. My lady, you've done me the honor of allowing you to fight for this day, and I am honored to present you this.
And I name you Lady Borealis.
And I name you Lady Borealis.
That's the one thing you don't say.
Yep. Their highnesses charge you to prepare yourselves suitably and come before them tomorrow to be invested as Prince and Princess of Oerthan. Long live Bardolf, Lord Borealis. Long live
Bardolf.
Long live Sabiha, Lady Borealis.
Long live Sabiha, Lady Borealis.
Long live the Prince.
Long live the Prince.
Long live the Prince Consort.
Long live the Prince Consort.